The Sphero Indi is the perfect starting place for kids ages 4 and up to discover play-based learning while also building foundational coding, problem-solving, and computational thinking skills. Indi uses a sensor at the bottom of the bot to interact with pre-programmed color-coded tiles. So let's explore how kids can use the Sphero Indi. Screenless learning, which uses the sensor at the bottom to tell Indi what to do and where to go to complete mazes, using the pre-programmed commands built into each one of the color-coded tiles, telling Indi how to move, turn, speed up, slow down, or stop, all without needing a screen or device. Or take the imagination, creativity, and critical thinking even further by using the Sphero Edu Jr app, with multiple ways to use it: the manual driving modes of the DC, Arcade, and Sphero Drive, or the programming board customization, where you can change what each color-coded tile will command Indi to do. Check out the description for videos on how to use all of the modes in the Sphero Edu Jr app, how to pair it, and a link to the app.